Okay, so right now we are trying to cook the trout we caught yesterday. Told you we'd cook it in yesterday's video. And I gotta go get a butter knife.
We vacuum sealed it for a better freshness and we marinated it all night. Here's this grilled green beans. Yummy.
Okay, so now we got butter. Oh my gosh, we're cooking pollen.
It keeps flying on the grill. It did that to me this morning.
Well, that's nice. Get you some nice sniffles. Sniffle treat. It's a tree of sniffles. So we're gonna rake our butter and we're gonna trying to get it to come off.
You want to turn it down because that heat's burning the butter.
Yeah.
Let it cool down for a second. I didn't realize that. You probably didn't either. Mom's eating some frozen raspberries. Mmm, super good.
Okay, now we got our trout right here. And this, so we already had it seasoning and like soaking in some lemon pepper last night. But now what we're gonna do,
I told you guys that.
is we're gonna rub some butter on the inside of it.
Let me get a close up.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Rub some butter on the inside. Get it to get that nice juicy butter taste.
You can scrape that off if you want.
What, scrape it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna restart on the butter part.
Yeah. That way it doesn't burn so fast.
I'm just gonna lather it with some butter.
There you go.
Right there. And then we're gonna.
Yummy. Oh, look at it flying up.
And then we're gonna close it off with that lid thing. Okay, so now we have that cooking. We're gonna eat that for lunch today because I haven't had anything and the smoke is killing me.
Here, I'll video you.
We haven't had anything to eat yet. So we're gonna have green beans and we're gonna have trout, which I had trout last night, was delicious. So I wanna try butter in it because maybe it like will be more delicious. And then also, I brought lemon pepper out here so we can have a little extra lemon pepper flavor. Put some lemon pepper on there. Like that. And so, my hands are all buttery from the butter.
Do you like to cook?
I love cooking, especially grilling.
Yes.
I love grilling more than anything. And we're hopefully gonna go back trout fishing soon. Hopefully, maybe it'll be in this year. I know. Maybe like December-ish for sure. I want to go for my birthday.
Oh.
I want to go there for my birthday, or maybe, just maybe, we can go to Alaska for my birthday.
Oh my gosh. He can stop.
I wish we could.
We're far away from Alaska.
Georgia. So
Yep.
like on the whole opposite side from Alaska. Not even close. It's like a 14-hour plane ride, I'm pretty sure, to Alaska.
Something. We looked it up
Atlanta.
a while back. Yeah.
Yeah. Got that good trout searing there. Now what we're gonna do, because it looks like it already needs to be flipped. Yeah. there we go.
Yummy.
And then we're just gonna. Ta-da!
Mom, I want to fish. Please.
He's like, please, I just really want some fish.
Want a raspberry?
Mmm.
Oh, that's good. It's cold. It's like a icy.
He's so funny. And then we got our green beans right here.
What brand did we buy? Those are good.
I think they're,
The green can.
yeah, it's the
Right?
green can. That's the brand. The green can.
Montos or something like that. I don't remember. They're salted. They're good.
Yeah.
I think the label says sea salt. You want to go get a can?
Yeah, I can go get it. I'm probably about to make you another can.
Say hey to Bub's fans. Dude, I'm his best friend. Aren't I pretty? He's a sweet dog. Happy, bubbly.
See, I love playing ball. We gotta get Bub playing ball more.
Mom bombed his YouTube. Well, if any of you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, just ask him to reveal himself to you. And he will. May not happen in the first 24 hours, but he will. And then if you want to get saved, go to Romans 10:9.
Yep. Okay. We got,
Wait, show him the can.
it's Del Monte. I don't know. Something like that. I don't know how you say it. If anybody knows how to say it, tell me.
Del Monte.
Del
Del Monte. Del Monte.
Okay, so now we're gonna put some butter on the grill. Some more butter on the grill. I don't know why it blackened so quick. And then we're gonna put our green beans on that right there. And then we're gonna try lemon pepper seasoning. That might be good. On green beans, I don't know.
We'll see.
We'll see. Okay. Now, check our trout real quick. Looks like it's pretty much done. Yeah, it's done. So our trout is all done.
You want to get your plate so you don't accidentally drop that?
Yeah. Like that. Look at that beautiful meal right there.
All right, give them a good view.
That
Wait, I'm backing up.
is delicious.
Look how pretty. Let me
So-
see that inside. Oh, yeah. Looks good. Hot.
We're gonna try it now. Let it cool off for a second. What? Ooh. So there's the. It's got the lemon pepper soaked into the meat a little better than it did last night. It's because I let it sit overnight in the vacuum seal bag, soaking in the lemon pepper and that butter.
The butter
Butter's
helped?
good, yeah. Got juice. Ooh,
Sorry.
hot! Hot.
Okay. Now lemon pepper green beans. Those are just salted.
They're salted. They come salted.
And then these are going to have lemon pepper. Does
Yep.
that lemon pepper have salt in it? It might be over salted. Just warning you.
It does have salt. It's the first ingredient in it. I don't care. I'll still eat it. I didn't even know there was such thing as lemon oil.
Yeah, it's an essential oil. Comes from the
Lemon.
outside of
The skin.
the oil rinds. Yeah. I mean, the lemon rinds.
I cut myself. I have a little scratch right there.
Mm.
And that butter and lemon pepper burns. This stuff, this right here is what you live life for.
To have a good meal.
Mm-hmm.
Do you bless your meals?
Yes, always.
Do you know where your meals come from?
The Lord.
Yep. Nothing here on earth is truly ours. Read the book of Ecclesiastes that it explains to you how the Lord is with you always, Even if you are in sin or wickedness of any kind or hate him, or doesn't really matter. He's always there. He's the one who created you.
Get that butter real good. Just got a spatula. Spatula. Cooking on spatulas.
So how many grills have you used?
See, I've used a propane grill that has a grate, and then I used a charcoal grill, and I used this one, and then we used a green egg.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite?
Probably it's between this and the charcoal grill.
Yeah, because you get some charcoal flavor with that.
Yeah. Wipe the butter on there. It might help the gnats attract.
At least it's not my shirt. He likes to wipe his hands on our shirts.
This dog thinks about the butter. He's like, "Oh, your hands taste good."
Your people are saying you can't touch your food now.
Well, watch this. Just clean up a little. Okay, now come follow me.
Nope. He's going to the sink. He's going to wash his hands. Let's see. I think they're done. What do y'all think? They're done.
You're so handsome. Yeah. See, my name is Blacksmith. See his pretty colors.
What's your plan to get these off the grill? Oh, you got a little spatula over that? I didn't see that. They're done. You could literally take a Ninja, blend these up, add a little bit of lemon juice and honey. And honey doesn't spike your glucose, according to Dr. Madison. You should check her YouTube out. And it would be like a sorbet, like a homemade sorbet. Super clean. All right, what do you have to say to your people?
That this is the most delicious looking meal I've cooked in a while.
And like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos just like this.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks. And I will see you next time.
Have a blessed day.